I'm going to try and speak very fast so I can get more material to you guys before the start of the film. We'll be quick and we'll be, catch all the important stuff. முதல்ல சித்தாங்கிற படம் என் வாழ்க்கையில் ரொம்ப முக்கியமான ஒரு படம். This is a film that I have not just acted in, I have also produced it under my home banner Etaki Entertainment. The film is directed by S.U. Arun Kumar, who made Pannayarum Padmaniyam and Sethupathi. So what you can expect is a very personal film. It's a very important film. இந்த படம் நான் எதுக்கு எடுத்தேன், இந்த படம் பார்த்த உடனே உங்களுக்கு புரியும். And I'm so excited. நாளைக்கு காலையில் this film releases worldwide. So this is our official premiere of Chithaa. So you are my premiere audience. So thank you so much. And you guys can give yourself another round of applause because ரொம்ப வருஷமா தமிழ்ல ஒரு specific purpose oriented charity premiere பண்ணப்பட்டதே கிடையாது. So this is a unique event that you all been part of. Chithangra Parathoda, we are associating with the iResearch Center. iResearch Center is an NGO that is very close to my heart. iResearch Center, to give you what the cause that we are working towards, Agarwal Eye Hospitals. Firstly, two people spoke here before you, and I don't know if you know them unless you're associated with either eye care or with Agarwal Hospitals. There is a warrior, her name is Dr. Athiya Agarwal, so a big round of applause for her. There are very few philanthropists in this field who have done what this lady has achieved, and the vision that they bring forward from their previous generation and the grandfather to the grandson, which is Ashwin Agarwal, and what they have done, the amount of good work they do, and mukyama neenga therinjikka vendiya vishayam, the amount of good work they do for free, which is so rare in today's world. So I'm a huge admirer of the Agarwal Eye Hospital, and I'm a big fan of the iResearch Center because it's working towards changing the lives of 13 lakh people who suffer from corneal blindness, and to be able to do more than 40,000 procedures. So money that's being raised from this premiere and other such initiatives will go towards doing that. So think about changing the lives of 13 lakh people when you come and attend a premiere like this. I would like more producers of my industry to tie up with specific NGOs like this and do purpose-oriented premieres so that நாங்கள் நல்லது பண்ணுறோன்னு மட்டும் சொல்லாமல் என்ன நல்லது எப்போ எப்படி பண்ண போகிறோன்னு அவங்க தெளிவாக சொன்னாங்க. So I'm so happy to be part of this initiative with my production company and with this beautiful film Chithaa. இந்த படம் பார்த்ததுக்கு அப்புறம் I want lots of conversations and discussions to happen. And இந்த படம் வந்து நீங்க உங்க குடும்பத்தோட இன்னைக்கு there are lots of children in this audience. நீங்க வெளியே போய் as a woman, as a man, ஒரு குழந்தையா இந்த படம் உங்ககிட்ட என்ன சொல்லிச்சு, நீங்க என்ன ஃபீல் பண்ணீங்கன்னு வெளியில எல்லார்கிட்டயும் பேசுங்க. Because Chithaa deals with how we live as families and how we take care of our children. It's a thriller with an emotional core. So definitely you need to go home and உங்க பசங்களோட இந்த படத்தை பத்தி இன்னும் பேசுங்க. மற்றவங்களையும் இந்த படம் பார்க்கணுமா இல்லையான்னு நீங்களே யோசிச்சு முடிவெடுத்து please use your word of mouth powerfully. Good cinema needs good audiences, and I'm very proud to present you a very beautiful film. So I hope you'll enjoy it and bless my Chithaa team, directed by Arun Kumar and starring two very special children, Sahasra and Afia. இந்த படத்துக்கு அப்புறம் அந்த ரெண்டு பொண்ணுங்களோட பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் லைஃப் டைம் நீங்க மறக்க மாட்டீங்க. With that, இன்னைக்கு மேல I can't hold you. So thank you so much for being here, and I specifically want to thank Aditi Rao Hydari for being here for the premiere of Chithaa, for this good cause. And I want to wish Ashwin Agarwal, Athiya Agarwal and the entire team of iResearch Center Chennai. And the last note I'll tell you is Chithangra padam like Tamil release avudhu. It releases as Chithaa in Malayalam and Chikku in Kannada, and I've dubbed my own voice in Kannada for the first time. The reason I'm doing this quick language flex is because iResearch Center is currently only in Tamil Nadu. I hope that very soon we can take this center to other states across the south. And so not only our films should be pan-south and pan-India, our NGOs and our philanthropists should be allowed to go pan-south and pan-India. So bless all of us. Enjoy my film. I love you all. Thank you so much. Helping solve the really ubiquitous problem of corneal blindness, and Agarwal Eye Research Center and Agarwal Hospitals. Thank you so much for what you've helped us do, and I hope this money will change the lives of so many people who will be able to see again. Thank you so much. There's a parting note, there is some fun.
It gives me a lot of pleasure. I'll say more than pleasure, I'm very excited for this event. I am happy that I am taking an active role in this event, which is going to raise funds for something which is very close to my heart. The Eye Research Center is a totally non-profitable organization. My friends from media are here. About 3 weeks ago, we had a huge eye donation fortnight in which I was talking to you all about eye donation. In India, 18 million people, which is actually population of Australia, is blind due to various problems, which are all treatable. Cornea, 1.3 million people are blind. About more than 10% of the blind population is of cornea blindness. What is cornea? It is nothing but the front window of the eye, which you see as a black thing, which needs to be transparent. Means when padalam irukkodadu adile. It should be வெள்ளையா இருக்க கூடாது. இது டிரான்ஸ்பரண்டா இருக்கணும். அப்பதான் லைட் வந்து அந்த அதுல கார்னியால ஃபால் ஆயிட்டு பின்னால விழித்திரையில போட்டு திருப்பி வெளியே வந்தாதான் நம்மளுக்கு கிளியரா பார்வை கிடைக்கும். Due to various reasons like infections, most common injuries, the cornea gets disease. There are a lot of problems congenitally also. You're born with it. So these are the people we are planning to treat with the money which are going to raise today through the charity of this wonderful movie, which is not only going to touch our hearts, it's going to ignite our brains. Believe me, when the movie starts, Siddharth is here. Thank you, Siddharth, for letting us do this one-time charity, which is just an initiative. In 1982, I was part of a big charity which was done by Dr. J. Agarwal, who actually started Eye Research Center in 1976. As a small thing which has now grown to I think 100 folds, and we are doing about 700 to 800 surgeries every day, every month, free of cost. And cornea is one of them. Cornea is a little expensive one. So my message to all of you is donate your eyes profusely, because when you donate 2 eyes, 4 patients blind due to cornea can be treated with this, because this cornea can be split into 2, and 1 person who donates an eye can help 2 patients who are blind due to cornea. So let's sit back, enjoy the movie, and see how it goes on. And this is just an initiative. We are going to do more and more events like this so that we can raise more funds, so that we can help this underprivileged and unaffordable people due to corneal blindness. Thank you very much. I hand over the mic to Ashwin, who is going to talk more on this.
Okay, my Tamil is not as good as my mother, but that is the first thing. I definitely want to first thank actor Siddharth for doing this. And definitely want to thank Aditi also for being here and supporting this cause. Quite a big roar there. I like it. Eye Research Center is very close to all of us because it's grandfather's vision to to eradicate preventable blindness. That's critical. But I think I'll tell you only 2 points. Eye Research Center today, what is only in one state. The vision for Eye Research Center is to take it pan-India. And I think we want to approach that with a very, very robust approach. India is a developing country, moving to a developed. We always want to focus on the fact that we cannot move this needle unless people from corporates like us do a lot more in this field of affordable eye care across the nation. So wherever we are present, we'll do a lot more, and you'll see this over the next coming years. Second, Chithaa, the movie. That's why we are all here, guys. One big round of applause for the movie Chithaa. Even before watching this premiere, I can tell you it is a hard-hitting social drama, and it is quite evident and very prominent in today's world with the social media and all your mobile phones. So watch out for this movie. It's already got a 4.5 star across board out of 5.
அதுக்கப்புறம் இந்த படத்துல ஒரு பாட்டு இருக்கு, அது 2 லைன் உங்களுக்காக பாடுறேன். ஏன்னா Ma'am has very specifically told you think about eye donation as something that you think every day. It's not, I know it's a difficult topic, but it's a very important topic. So think about eyes and eye donation and saving lives, because one pair of eyes can change more people's lives than you imagine. And the song goes something like this. Kangal ஏதோ தேட கலவாட நெஞ்சம் தானே பாட பரந்தோட அடி ஒவ்வொரு பொழுதும் ஓன அப்படி நான் ரசிச்சேன் உயிர் கொல்லுது ஓ நினப்பு கண்மணியே ஓ ஒரு 1000 வானவில்ல உன் பூவிழி காட்டுதடி அத சட்டன நீ மறைச்சா நான் என்ன செய்வேன் புள்ள கண்கள் ஏதோ தேட கலவாட நெஞ்சம் தானே பாட பரந்தோட. Enjoy the film. Thank you.
My name is Dr. Ashwin Agarwal. I have with me Dr. Chithha Agarwal from the Eye Research Center. We are here today to promote an eye research campaign which promotes basically affordable eye care for underprivileged and underserved population of India, especially Chennai and Tamil Nadu. Through the movie Chithaa, through the premiere of Chithaa, a charity premiere that is very, very seldomly done. First time it is being done for a focused cause like eye donation and eye surgeries. And we have been able to reach out to different people from different strata, raise fund for eye surgeries and eye donations. Chithaa movie is a social hard-hitting drama about a young child and Chithha. So it is a very, very emotional movie and has a very sensitive message at the end of it about the use of social media. Using that medium, we are trying to attract a lot of funds or donation for eye surgery for our eye research foundation, which was started in 1978 and is a non-profit organization only for eyes.
Eye Research Center is part of Dr. Agarwal's Eye Hospital. Started by my father-in-law, Dr. J. Agarwal, way back in 1976. And here, what do? We go to the camps in full of Tamil Nadu. We are also covering Andhra. We bring patients. We screen patients there. We bring them to the base hospital. We house them and we operate them. This movie Chithaa, first time we had screening this movie, which is actually a social drama and very emotional. For the first time, we raised funds to treat corneal blindness. What is corneal blindness? Cornea is nothing but the front window of the eye. Because of the blindness, because of which the patients are not able to see the light. And this is a little advanced surgery and it cannot be done without support of everybody who have to come forward and donate the eyes. This I spoke in the eye donation week. Unless you donate the corneas, we cannot treat corneal blindness. Kitta வந்து 1.3 million people are blind due to cornea alone. Out of the 18 million blind people in India. To treat these patients, we need a lot of corneas. Not only corneas, we need a lot of money to buy the other material. So this charity is going to help us raise funds, and we are planning to treat 40,000 people who are underprivileged, who cannot afford. Yarkithayo affordability ille. They cannot afford to pay us to do this surgery. So we are planning. This is the first time we are doing the charity only for the good cause of treating corneal blindness, which is actually a treatable blindness. In some it is not treatable. So those people who can be treated with corneal blindness
Chithaa.